Got the Midwest ammunition, 9mm, 50 rounds of it, 115 grain, remanufactured. We're gonna be testing that out in the Glock 19. I'm gonna do about 2 mags, so that'd be about 30 rounds. Okay, we got it loaded up to 15 rounds. We got 15 rounds we go test out in the Glock 19, Generation 5, and see how it runs. All right, so we're gonna do another mag. All right, we got another about 10 rounds in here. Okay, we got one. All right, I got about 10 more rounds in here. All right, so far out of 50 rounds, well, 40 rounds, we had that happen about 2 or 3 times, so go ahead.
I see your motivation, I see your movement is in effect, and I fucking love that shit. Let's get it.